Yo, Jackson, Mississippi, love you guys. I'll see you next time I hit up Mississippi. I love and hate flying. Hey everyone, this is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere. I just landed in Charlotte Airport. I've been on a 5-day adventure of Jackson, Mississippi, the city with soul. And today I want to talk to you about what I love and hate about flying. You know, it's a love-hate relationship because flying is part of it. You have to get on a plane to travel most places you want to go that are far. Let me eat my chili. The first thing I love about flying is that I know once I get on that plane, I'm going to a brand new destination or a destination I've already been to, but it's like another adventure. I love flying with new airlines and different aircrafts. I usually fly one world. I try to go with American or Qatar. That's like my go-to always. But if I have to fly on a different airline, I'm up for it. I don't have a problem with it. I like to experience new airlines because they're so different. Every airline is a whole different experience. I love trying the food. The entertainment, and the drinks. It's a huge part of the experience of flying. And those airlines that limit most of that, I don't like to fly with them. So there's only one thing I hate about flying. Only one thing, and that's turbulence. Now, over the past 2 decades, I've probably taken over 1,000 flights. Mostly they're long hauls, so like crossing the Atlantic or crossing over to Asia or Africa, South America. Turbulence has been part of like the fear. Always, every time I get on a flight, I can't wait for the experience, but I know there's gonna be turbulence. Now, I've been in my share of like crazy turbulence, and it usually happens with small planes. For some reason, the smaller body planes, there's always turbulence. There's always turbulence. When I fly on big planes, when I cross the Atlantic, there's probably turbulence for like 20 minutes, but it's not, you know, it's manageable because of the big body, so you don't feel it the whole time. But with small planes, oh man, you feel it every second. Just now I was in Mississippi, and to get to Jackson, Mississippi from Miami, I had to fly through Dallas to get there, and then I had to fly through Charlotte to get home. Both times, from Dallas to Jackson and from Jackson to Charlotte, we had this small plane. The plane's like a CRJ 200, so it's 2 with 12 rows, and man, scary rides. Those small planes are the worst. My most scariest experiences were these 2 flights. One to San Blas, Panama. From Panama to San Blas on a tiny plane, scary. And then another time we went to the Bahamas and literally the plane like fell out of the sky like, I don't know, a few hundred feet, and like I thought we were dead. But I've had more scary experiences. Like there was 1 or 2 instances when we crossed the equator going to Africa. The equator is really rough, like really rough. For some reason, very crazy. Damn good hot chili. Let me recap my trip because most of you guys have never heard of Jackson, Mississippi. It's the most underrated capital city in America. It's amazing. The city with soul has soul. Blues, lots of music, live music. If you like live music, you'll love it. The foodie scene, they have some of the best southern food in the world. And they do it really good. You can go gourmet style, you can go like straight up, go to a soul food place and just eat some fried chicken. They got everything you want. It's amazing. And really the reason why I love Mississippi is the people. That southern hospitality, they have a lot of it. Like every single person is so friendly. I've been to places where people don't say hi. Mississippi, everybody says hi. Everybody looks you in the eye. Everybody's super kind. I really love it there. Gotta give a big thanks to Visit Jackson. It was an incredible experience. I can't wait to go back to Mississippi and explore more of the deep south. I'm leaving. I was gonna give you a little tour of the Admirals Club, but they're closing. Well, let me show you anyways. And the reason why I have an Admirals Club is because I signed up for this credit card so I can get like crazy amount of miles, and I have free Admirals Club with it. I just pay $450 a year for it. If you go through, let's say, the airport 20 times, you make that money back because it's free food, usually free alcohol, and yeah, it's a lifesaver. Finally, delayed so much. All right, we made it to Miami. It's been a super long day. I flew, my God, I flew from Jackson, Mississippi to Charlotte on a scariest little flight. Then had a 2.5 hour delay. Finally got on the plane around 1:10 in the morning, and the first half hour was just turbulence, like straight up turbulence. Bigger plane with a 3-3 configuration with like 40 or 50 rows, but My God, the turbulence was out of control. I can't stand turbulence. I did not feel good at all. Yeah, that's usually what happens when you fly, man. It's like turbulence all the time. And right now, as you can see, this place is dead quiet. I'm waiting for my Uber. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my travel channel. See you on the next adventure.